네, 안녕하세요. 저희 아웃로 투군 시합은 좀 특별하죠. 각 단은 표적과 사이즈와 또 거리는 5에서 200야드까지 사격하게 되기 때문에 정말 도전적이고 쉽지가 않죠. 또 거기에다가 훈련은 세 가지로 나눠지죠. 스탠드 컴뱃, 클로스 컴뱃, 그리고 롱레인지 컴뱃, 이렇게 세 가지로 나눠집니다. 대부분의 선수들은 이렇게 야외에서 각자 가는 거리와 표적을 사격하는 것이 상당히 새롭기 때문에 좀 힘들어 했죠. 또 이날은 저희 투건 교관 아버지 릭에 참석했는데 연세가 73이죠. 그래서 핸디캡을 주겠다고 했더니 자기는 절대 핸디캡 안 받고 자기 속도대로 시합을 끝내겠다고 했습니다. 그리고 저희들도 깜짝 놀랐죠. 네, 저희들은 이 코스가 도전적이고 어렵게 만들었기 때문에 실제 사격하는 순서와 방법을 다 외우는 것도 쉽지 않습니다. 어쨌든 보죠. 네, 처음에는 스탠더드 컴뱃이죠. 여기에서는 5야드에서 70야드까지 사격하게 되어 있고 각종의 거리와 표적이 쉽지 않습니다. 한번 보세요.
Alright, shooter.
Do you understand the course of fire?
I do.
Alright, stand by.
Safety on. Safety off.
Good hit.
Safety on.
Good hits.
Up. Safety on.
Good hits.
Safety on.
Alright.
What's the matter with that? No change.
Woo! Well done. 98-41. Show me clear.
Yep, I see clear. Slide forward, hammer down.
9841.
I like Mr.
Dude, you shot that.
Really, really well.
That was
You shot that
super
really
strong.
well.
I'm gonna claim
All right,
rifle.
let's unload.
Shit.
All right, yeah, we'll find it later.
Yeah.
You're good. All right.
All right. Is shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Here?
Yep. 3 position. Nice. Woo! 69.50. All right, I see clear. Hammer down. All right, we're good. Good job.
Very nice, my man.
I got a little
nice.
sloppy on the rifle.
So yeah, this is a 6-spear LT chambered in 5.56 with the SIG LPVO optic. Hopefully shoots good today.
All right, sounds good. Let's do it.
Shooter, do you understand the course of fire?
I think so.
All right. I'm gonna run to that tree. Okay. Okay. Stand by. No. Run back this way. It looked good. Ran the wrong way, but it looked good. Go to that hula hoop. Nice reload. Right here. Left. 4 targets. Barrel the rifle. Barrel. Yep.
Safety on.
Yep, it is. It's good. Okay, right here. Top 2 targets. Well, bottom, you know. One more. Good hits. Go to this yellow. Now everything on the bottom. You got it. You're shooting high on that one. Gotcha. Yep, there you go.
Right here?
Yep, good muzzle control. Nice, good job. Unload show clear. 127.14, slide forward, hammer down.
So Tony, tell me what you're shooting today.
BCM upper, custom arrow lower.
Good deal. And the pistol?
Old school M&P 9L.
Oh, M&P.
2009.
Now I heard that you are in the same team with Scott.
That's right.
Okay, and what's the name of the team?
It's a training team. It's called Black Team.
Black. Okay.
Silver Eagle Group.
Okay, so that's 2-gun, right? Outlaw 2-gun team.
We do everything. Shotgun, pistol,
Okay.
rifle, then 2 guns.
Sounds fun.
It's like
I'm
martial
jealous.
arts, but for guns.
Oh, there you go. Kung Fu. All right, let's get it done.
Do you understand the course of fire?
I do.
All right, stand by. Yep, we're gonna come back this way. Nice work, Tony. Yep, good hits. All right, get to the hula hoop. Smoking.
High groups. Holy crap.
He's good. Barrel it. Nice work. Yep, right here. One more hit on that. Nice work. Dropped in hard primer. Yep. To the red. 5. Nice work. Shooter is finished. Unload show clear. I see clear. Slide forward, hammer down. Holster up. 94-95.
Woo!
All right, shooter. You understand course fire?
Pretty much.
Love it. All right, stand by. tree. There you go. Good work. Yep, in that way. Good job. Keep the muzzle. Good job. Yep. I like that. That's not a bad idea. Dad.
Hell yeah.
No, to your left.
Reload. Yeah, charge it.
Just start all over.
Alright, safe it. Let's put it in the barrel. Nice and safe. Alright. Yep, good job. One more hit on that thing. Yeah, you need to go back to that second steel. Alright, thank you. Alright. Safe it. Go around the barrel, Dad, yeah. Yeah.
If that chain was to break, that's the best possible.
Give him hell, Dad.
Yep.
Woo! 17380.